What are do's and don'ts for injection molding? Is it important in manufacturing? Hi, my name is Najwa from Glasfil Polymer Sdn. We are one-stop plastic injection molding solution center in Malaysia. Molding process is simple to understand, but for newbies to the industry, things can seem quite complicated at first. For this part, we will focus on things we should definitely do during the process.
3, 2, 1.
The first thing is to keep material contamination free by purging your injection molding machine thoroughly on a regular basis to produce tough clear parts. Besides, in order to reduce dripping and spray rate, we should use slow injection speed. Speed indicates the best possible appearance and a reasonable fill time. Apart from this, do maintain mold temperature within a certain range. Try and maintain mold temperature at around 15 to 40 degrees Celsius for best cycle times. Next, keeping the melt temperature low can help you achieve a satisfactory appearance and feel. Depending on the dwell time of the material in the cylinder, the suggested operating range is 250 to 270 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, make sure to dry the material for a minimum of 4 hours and keep the desiccant pad clean. For the next video, we will discuss more about the things we should absolutely not do in the injection molding process. Make sure to check out our next video when it is released. For more updates related to manufacturing tips, design tips, and some plastic injection insider tricks, do subscribe.